Guys, before we begin with the ride along, I have a question for you. Have you ever in your adult life looked in the mirror and thought to yourself, wow, I thought I could be farther ahead by now? If you have, you're not alone. I have thought that way too. And it's not just me, it is thousands, if not millions of people who think that way every day. And that is why I want to share with you the same strategies I'm learning from my mentors to make sure I live into my full potential. So, if you want to be part of this journey to make sure you live into your full potential, all you need to do is click the link in the description below this video and join my Facebook group so I can share with you these strategies. But listen, I want to keep this Facebook group, I want to keep this community small. So if you truly want to live into your full potential and build a side hustle, build a business that can give you not just the money that you deserve, but also can give you time freedom to make sure you can do the things that you love with the people that you love, make sure you click the link in the description below this video and join now. Now, let's get with the ride along. First offer of the day, I switching my schedule to mornings and doing more Instacart because food delivery has been so bad these past few weeks. But as I was getting to do Instacart, there were some very decent offers on Uber Eats. I couldn't take them because I already accepted the Instacart, but that's good news for me because now I know that morning shift might be the newest standard, working early and going home early if dinner shift is not good. So okay, so I got this badge. It's a small badge, $25 for some 20 items, and the miles are like 4 miles. So let's get this rolling, guys. Much is done with products. Now we're going to go to bakery and start there. Getting this over. So hopefully we can find the rest. I'm looking for these items. Let me see this right here. Okay, let me check this out. So we're looking for, I think it's this one right here. I found it. Hopefully it's this one. Come on. Perfect. So I couldn't find this one. Customer didn't answer me back, so I'm going to refund them. And I get the avocados. And now I'm just going to an item. Let me go check it. Pretty much it's done. Now I'm going to check out. So let's get it done. Now we just have to go and back this up and deliver. Hopefully I don't get hit by a car. Okay guys, so next offer of the day, it is for Total Wine. It's only like $12 for 3 miles and 3 items. So I am doing just Instacart today, so see how it goes. So let's get this done, guys. So open this up, start shopping. And let's get this done. Looking for this one right here. I believe it's this one. Hopefully it is. Scan it. Get the first one. And now we're going to go to aisle. Aisle 14. Aisle 10. If you have one more of this,
Check.
I think they're over there. They're over there up front, on the top. Oh, I think you have them right there.
Okay.
I got one already, so the one that you have there. It's that one.
Oh yeah. I see him right there.
Done with this little batch. Very easy. And now I think it's that one right here. Oh, maybe. Not sure. Let me look. This is the last one. Sometimes, Instacart has this problem. You see the picture over here? Completely different. The color is different, but this is the item. So, just scan it. And yeah, it is. So, let's grab two. And get on the way, guys. Offer of the day, it is for from Uber Eats, from McDonald's. Got it? Now, let's get on the way. Here, doing the McDonald's drop-off. And hopefully
Head to your drop-off at 74501 42nd Avenue.
everything goes smoothly. So it's G44. Done. Okay guys, let's get on the way. Okay, on the next pickup of the day, and it is for Country Club Cafe in Atlanta. So it's an easy one. We got it, and I was also able to get an order for Instacart for Total Wine for $20. So I'm going to drop this off and then head to the Instacart pickup. Doing the next drop off, and it is for Atlanta.
Head to your drop-off at 71387 Highway 111.
Okay guys, so that's done.
Thanks, brother.
Hi. That's done guys, let's get on the way. Pickup of the day or next offer, it is for Total Wine, 6 miles, $19. So hopefully I can find everything. So let's see. My Instacart is already go to the store. Okay guys. Look at this. Wow. Kind of like easy. Everything's supposed to be on just one aisle. And what is that? See, it's called Cococini. The Bravo Cococini. This one right here. And I'm sure it's going to be. Which one is the one that you want? The one for 20, not be this one. Okay guys, so let's get this done. Okay guys, so we are done with the stock pack, so now we need to go and deliver. So let's get on the way. We got working on the next offer. It's from Castañeda. So hopefully they have this open.
Thank you.
There you go, guys. The order, that's it. So let's bag it and let's get it going. Next drop off.
Head to your drop-off at 40050 Harris LN.
Pickup of dinner sheet, and this is for Dragon Sushi. And let me see. It's for
Make a
Friday.
right turn on Fred Waring Drive.
Got it? Now it's time to get on the way. Drop off a dinner sheet. Okay guys, so let's go. Next offer of the night, it is an Instacart for $50. It's a little big, but whatever. It has been slow for food delivery, but there was some good offers, but you know, I already took the Instacart. So let me get this started, guys. Okay guys, so we're doing fine so far. Not one cheese that they Instacart said is supposed to be back there, but then when I asked the employee, they sent it back over here. So annoying. Okay, so hopefully, you know, we can make this happen, guys. So cross fingers. We are very much done with Instacart. Took some time, but it's time to back this up and start delivering. Hopefully everything goes smoothly.